everyone, my name is Serhan. I am a mobile app developer from Cyprus with nearly 10 years of experience in the field. Since 2018, I have been focused exclusively on iOS development. So, on this channel, we'll explore the latest iOS and Swift technologies, including SwiftUI, UIKit, concurrency, task management, and many more topics in Swift. Whether you are just starting your career or an experienced developer, my content will help you to improve your skills and build efficient, high-quality iOS applications. So, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications to stay tuned for my latest tutorials, tips, and coding challenges.